So now you have your wonderful new kitchen and it's time to live in it. Transforming a space like a kitchen can be a costly investment, so we want to help you make the most of it, make it last and help it look great. Here are a few tips.
Now, you may want to speak to your design consultant first about the best methods and products for cleaning any surfaces. Surfaces that need special attention are countertops, especially wooden countertops that will need oiling every so often. And you must make sure that any spillages are always mopped up straight away.
Also, it sounds obvious, but when you're preparing your culinary masterpieces, remember to use a chopping board, because when you're preparing vegetables, a sharp knife like this will cause scratches on the surface. Another great tip is to move items like steamers, kettles, as you have here, and toasters out from underneath units, because steam and heat will damage them.
And when cleaning your cupboards or any appliances, never use an abrasive pad or cloth, as these will scratch the surfaces. And here's a great tip. If you've got a kitchen that's got handles or is tiled, always buy a few extra handles and a few spare tiles so that in the future, if any get damaged, you've got them there to be replaced.